tired of scooping and dealing with messy litter boxes? In this video, we're showcasing the 5 best smart cat litter boxes designed to keep your home cleaner and odor-free. These high-tech solutions make life easier for cat owners while ensuring your feline stays comfortable and happy. From self-cleaning features to app controls, these picks are perfect for modern pet parents. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started with the video. First product on our list, Petkit Pura Max 2 Cat Litter Box. The Petkit Pura Max 2 Automatic Smart Cat Litter Box offers a convenient solution for modern cat owners. This self-cleaning litter box is designed to make cat care effortless, with its large 75L capacity, making it suitable for cats weighing 1.5 to 10 kilograms. The box uses advanced odor removal technology to keep your home fresh and clean. Its sleek, fully enclosed design ensures both comfort and privacy for your feline friend. This smart litter box features a powerful app remote control, allowing owners to monitor the box's status from anywhere. The 7L waste box and 6L litter capacity are perfect for maintaining cleanliness. Its self-cleaning mechanism saves time and effort, while the use of eco-friendly materials like PP, ABS, and TP ensures durability. With its easy setup and low power consumption, the Petkit Pura Max 2 is ideal for busy cat owners. Its quiet operation makes it suitable for all living spaces. Say goodbye to the hassle of manual scooping and enjoy a cleaner, odor-free environment with this intelligent litter box. Second product on our list, Neakasa M1 Smart Cat Litter Box. The Neakasa M1 Smart Automatic Cat Litter Box is a must-have for cat owners who want to make cleaning easier and more efficient. This intelligent self-cleaning litter box comes with 4 intelligent modes, ensuring your cat's hygiene is maintained effortlessly. Its semi-closed design offers privacy and reduces odor, making it a perfect fit for your home. Made of durable plastic, the Neakasa M1 is both sturdy and easy to maintain. The large litter box capacity of 7.17L and toilet box capacity of 11.23L accommodate cats of all sizes. The smart app control allows you to monitor and control the litter box remotely, providing added convenience. This litter box is designed for low noise, ensuring it won't disrupt your daily routine. Its efficient self-cleaning feature reduces manual scooping and helps maintain a fresh and odor-free environment. Perfect for busy cat owners. Third product on our list, Voford User-Friendly Design Litter Box. The Voford Automatic Cat Litter Box offers effortless cleaning and hygiene. No more scooping. This self-cleaning box ensures a fresh, odor-free home for you and your feline friend. With a user-friendly design, the Voford litter box is easy to set up. The waste compartment simplifies disposal, making maintenance a breeze. Designed for comfort and privacy, the box gives your cat plenty of space to move around. The gentle cleaning system ensures a stress-free experience every time. Stay connected via the Wi-Fi-enabled smart app, which allows you to monitor your cat's hygiene and control the cleaning process remotely. Built with eco-friendly, durable materials, this modern, sleek litter box is the perfect choice for busy cat owners who want the best for their pets. Fourth product on our list, LZJV Automatic Cat Litter Box. The LZJV Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box is a must-have for cat owners looking for convenience and cleanliness. This electric automatic cat tray offers a super large space, making it ideal for large cats and multiple pets. Its spacious design allows for plenty of room to move without litter scattering around. Thanks to its IR infrared sensor system, the litter box automatically cleans itself without interference. This system ensures thorough cleaning, keeping your home fresh and odor-free. Cleaning is simple with the detachable design. The entire unit can be washed hassle-free, ensuring ongoing hygiene with minimal effort. Through the mobile app, you can monitor your cat's health in real time. It allows for easy control of settings like cleaning schedules, sleep time, and even reminders when the litter or trash bin is full. With multi-cat recognition, UV light disinfection, and anti-pinching safety features, the LZJV self-cleaning cat litter box ensures your pets are always in a clean and safe environment. This smart litter box is an investment in convenience, hygiene, and your cat's health. Fifth product on our list, DOEL T Plus Cat Litter Box. The DOEL T Plus Automatic Cat Litter Box is a smart and efficient solution for pet owners. With its fully automatic 360 degrees safe cleaning system, it takes care of the dirty work for you. Paired with the Tuya Smart app, it offers remote control and monitoring, keeping your hands free and your home fresh. Though compact, this litter box boasts an impressive 65L capacity for litter and a 9L trash bin. Its size is perfect for cats weighing 3.3 to 22 pounds, offering plenty of room for your furry friend without taking up too much space in your home. Safety is built in. 4 gravity-sensing sensors and a front-facing infrared sensor ensure cleaning stops when your cat is nearby. The app also tracks important data like toileting frequency and weight changes, giving insights into your pet's health. The DOEL app adds convenience. Control cleaning modes, monitor activity, and choose litter type, all from your phone. With 2.4G Wi-Fi support, staying connected to your litter box is simple, even when you're away. Maintenance is hassle-free with a leak-proof design, removable filter, and washable barrel. It even comes with a cat litter mat and other essentials in the package. Upgraded OTA technology keeps your litter box running smoothly with remote updates. The DOEL T Plus saves you time, effort, and money while ensuring a clean and safe space for your pet. It's more than a litter box. It's a game changer for cat owners.